Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing everything into a single event so you can find clips fast. Once done, tag clips with keywords and create collections for B-roll, interviews, and graphics to speed selections. If playback stutters, generate proxy media at 1/2 or 1/4 resolution to edit fluidly. This saves time and prevents rough cuts. Make sure to delete unused imports and relink original media later so your final export uses full resolution files. You now shape the story. Do a rough cut to isolate story beats and remove filler, then refine with split edits and J or L cuts so dialogue flows naturally. Once paced, nest complex sequences into compound clips to keep the timeline tidy and enable global adjustments. You should balance color and exposure with the color board, apply gentle noise reduction, and use keyframes for volume to avoid abrupt audio jumps. These steps make the middle feel intentional and smooth. You finish by choosing the right export. H.264 for streaming, Apple ProRes for masters, set the correct frame rate and 16:9 aspect, and pick a bitrate that balances quality and file size. Once done, create a final check. Watch exported file end-to-end, verify audio levels, and confirm captions. Archive the project and original media to an external drive. If colors shift or frames drop, relink originals. Disable proxy playback and re-export. This often fixes mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.